Hi, it's Lou Brown. I wanted to let you know I am coming to see you again at the DFW REI Club, and I'm going to be teaching you on April the 20th, Saturday, 8:30 a.m. until 3 o'clock, including questions, everything you want to know about trusts, land trusts and personal property trusts. We're going to be going into detail about what it is, how it operates, how it can help you, how it can make a big difference in your life and in your family's life. Now, we're going to be talking about profits. We're going to be talking about protection, probate avoidance, and all the good stuff that trust can bring in your life. In fact, there's over 30 different benefits you can get from trust that you cannot get from any other entity. Not a corporation, not an LLC, not a limited partnership. And I am coming to teach you all of those. Do not miss it. It is too valuable to your future. Be sure you are there. April the 20th at 8:30 a.m. Now, you need to register for that, so go to dfwreiclub.com. Get yourself registered so we have materials for everybody that's going to be there. I'm looking forward to it. I know you should be looking forward to it as well because it's life-changing information. I've been doing this since 1984. I've never found an entity that has more power and more benefit than these amazing things called trust. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. Yeah, baby.